as this is indeed the simplest experiment ever so far. It's just too silly. It's a silly experiment. Nothing measured. Not a single fucking thing measured. All right. If he continues to deny this and refuse to do it himself, why would I do a silly experiment expecting I can make more fucking pressure? I can make 10 pounds weigh 20 pounds. I can make 10 pounds weigh 40 pounds. I can make 10 pounds weigh 50 pounds. No, I fucking can't. And you're idiots if you think you can. All right.
We don't think we can, we show we can. Whereas you think you can't, but you don't show you can't. You think you can't because you don't understand the theory. As always, you mess up the concepts of weight, momentum, and energy. Let me once again show you absolute proof with very crystal clear measurements that you are wrong, Gary. Nature proves you wrong, and there's nothing you can do about it.
All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 identical springs. Okay, so this is one spring. This is the mass. One spring. This is how much it compresses. I'm going to put the ruler as close as possible and record it. Okay, right next to it. So the ruler is right next to the spring. All right. Now we have all 9 springs stacked on each other. It's the same mass, all right? I'm going to place the ruler again right next to it, like that. I'm going to record it from very close and spring for spring so that we can very accurately measure the distance of each spring.
So with one spring, it measured 1.1 centimeters, and with 9 springs, most of them measured around 1.2 centimeters. That's 1 millimeter difference. Now, what does Gary predict?
So, I mean, it's not that complicated an argument. So, one spring, it'll do this. 2 springs in series, the coils will have a much higher separation, twice as high, based on the spring constant.
So 2 springs in series, the gaps between the coils should be twice as much. So I presume that with 9 springs in series, the gaps between the coils should be 9 times as much. I think it's pretty obvious that didn't happen. However, Gary says so, so it must be so, and there is no need to show physical evidence. If you can rationally understand it, then that's the way it is. And all the evidence that doesn't match with what Gary says is simply absolute garbage. So once again, this experiment is simply garbage. It can't be true because Gary says so.